Welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to set reminders on your iPhone. So the first thing you want to do is open up the Reminders app here. If you don't have it on your home screen like this, it should come as default installed on your iPhone. So you want to swipe all the way to the right until you get to the app library and search out for the Reminder app, and you want to tab into that. Now here, in the Reminder app, in the bottom left hand corner, you can see this little plus blue icon here with New Reminder. You want to press that. Now the first thing you want to do is title the reminder. So you can enter dinner, for instance. You can add any notes. And then any extra details you want to add, you can press the Details tab here. So you can select the date. So let's say 30th. You can add a time if you wish. You can add an early reminder. So this will tell you 5 minutes before, a day, 2 days, etc. You can have it repeat it. You can add tags. You can add a location. You can, when messaging, so this section is selecting this option will show the reminder notification when chatting with the person in the message. So you can tap that on and then you can choose a person. So when you're chatting with them, this will be in the reminder section. You can also flag it if you wish. You can make the priority. And also here at the bottom, you can add an actual image. So you can delete an image here, then add one. You can either take one, scan a document, or choose one from the photo library. So just choose any random photo. You can add a URL at the bottom. So there's loads of different things you can add to the reminder. Once you've filled it all out, you can press add in the top right hand corner. And here is your reminders. And at the bottom here, my list. And you can see you have a reminder set. And there you go. And if the reminder is today, it'll be in the today section here. But as it's in the future, it's in the schedule. So that's how to set a reminder on the iPhone. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and most of all, thanks ever so much for watching.